Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best affiliate marketing course you could take so you could start earning some real money promoting other people's products. If you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing and possibly start earning 1,000 daily, then this video is for you. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end. And if you're visiting on my YouTube channel for the first time and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, make sure to subscribe today. And guys, don't forget to show me some love by liking this video. So yesterday I did a video on how to make 1,000 daily on ClickBank. And I got many great responses, not only from the YouTube channel, but I got a whole bunch of messages sent to me about continuing the topic of affiliate marketing and having another stream of money, like making money from different avenues. So this is one of them with affiliate marketing. And it's something that I have been really taking serious the last 6 months and really diving into it. And I have seen an increase in my own affiliate marketing on ClickBank. I know that before, I've been doing it for years, and I've never really put 150% effort, even though I do a lot more, maybe like the average person, but because I have so many things going on, I haven't just done affiliate marketing only or 150% only. So this time around, I am planning to do it, and I'm planning to, put out videos for you guys with my before and after sales and showing you guys techniques and everything else, especially from everyone's response that I received today. So I really appreciate it. Now, I wanted to talk to you guys about if you are serious about affiliate marketing and you want to learn how to start making money. And I'm talking about serious money. I'm not talking about, an extra $300 a month, which is great. I'm talking about an extra 300 a day or an extra 1,000 a day just for starting. And then once you scale and you know what you're doing, you could always spend a little bit more to triple that income back, right? But just starting, imagine if you made 1,000 a day. How would that change your life? How would that make an impact in your life right now? So if you want to learn, how to do it correctly, I recommend signing up with me. I'm going to be signing up as well because I want to take it to the next level to ClickBank University. Now, I'm going to leave the link below, but I am already absolutely blown away from just the video, the introduction video that I took today, and I was kind of like going over it. Basically, if you want to learn how to sell ClickBank's products, they actually have a school where they teach you how to do it, how to use Facebook, they literally give you everything. They're going to give you the online learning environment that's going to train you exclusively to becoming a successful ClickBank marketer. And I don't think there's any other affiliate program out there besides, here, read a couple articles or read our PDF. I don't think there's an affiliate company that actually sells you their own course so you could be successful in their marketplace. I think that's what is so powerful. It's not just you reading it, is basically they give you everything. So you're gonna, I will leave the link below this video so you guys could go ahead and click on it. And it's going to give you training. It's going to give you the blueprint. It's going to give you roadmaps. It's going to give you the latest methods to reach your goals. It has been updated as of today, 2019. And it's going to help you how to become successful and achieve your dream. So if you dream of being financially free and dream of having more control of your time so you could do the things that you want to do, maybe travel more, maybe have more time with your family, which is the one thing that we can never get back, this is the course for you. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing and you have tried it yourself and you failed and you don't know what you're doing, make sure that you sign up for this course. I highly recommend it. You could easily be paying, like for this particular course, there's other people that sell it. It's not the ClickBank course, but it's their own version of it, I guess, because they make a lot of money. You could easily be charging or paying $997 or even $1,997 for the information that they're going to give you. But if you join with the link below, you will join for under $50. I mean, there's no other course out there that is going to be this impactful that you could start earning $1,000 a day, and earning money in a quicker pace. Like a lot of courses, it's a build up, right? You know, how to build a blog, and then it's like a course, and it depends on how many pages, your audience, your this, your that. This is just basically how to make money with by promoting their products right away. So I highly recommend it if you're thinking of affiliate marketing, if you want to start making money online with the least amount of effort, without having a blog, without having customer service, just being the middleman. You just sell the product and they do everything else. Then affiliate marketing will be for you. If you put your time and effort on it, if you take the courses and you learn, this is going to change your life. Now, and another nice thing about it is that the people that are teaching the course are millionaires themselves. They have been doing it since they were like 20 years old, and they became millionaires through ClickBank, promoting other people's products. So it's really nice to be able to take a course where the people that make the course are people that are firsthand. They achieve the results that we want. On top of that, they have a system that if you need to chat with someone, the system will respond back to you with whatever question specific to your scenario. So if you have a question about a specific product or service that you want to promote, they'll be able to go ahead and give you feedback on that particular product. So I don't think there's any other course out there for affiliate marketing like ClickBank University. So guys, I'm going to leave the link below, and I'm going to be updating you guys too. I'm going to do like a 3-month like case study on it, based on my results and stuff. So stay tuned for that, but make sure that you join today. Do not procrastinate. 2020 is just around the corner. If you're going to do something, just get it done today. So check out the link below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below as well. And then in the near future, I know that a lot of people want more affiliate marketing. I will be doing more on how I keep track of my code, tracks of my links. How do I promote the products? How do I tag the products based on where I shared it? So I will be adding those type of videos as well. So thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a terrific day.